Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. Friday before spring break at that, even better. So I posted on your announcement today what you should be working on. So you should have finished that Evidence for Evolution lab yesterday. So hopefully everybody got around to that. And so today I'm not going to give you any new assignments because I know that one was a little lengthier and probably a little bit confusing. So what I want you to do today is just to check your work um, with the key here. So if you scroll down to our module, it'll be the last thing that pops up for you guys, Evidence for Evolution Packet Key. So you'll pull that up, and as you're going through yours, just make corrections. And then all I want you to do to submit that is to just tell me how you did. So if you had to make a lot of corrections, if most of it was correct already, if you were totally lost, that's okay. If you were totally lost, just fill it in based off of my packet that I'm sharing with you today. So you can do that a few ways. So you can send me a message on Canvas. So if you don't know how to do that, if you click on your inbox, I'm not going to click on mine because I have messages in there from people. So if you click on it, you can hit a plus sign and make a new message. Just type my name in there. You can email me. You can just write it into your learning log what you how you did on it. You can take a picture and email it to me. You can do a video, whatever you're comfortable with. Just I do want to hear from you, okay? So that's how I'm going to know if you completed it or not, is the feedback I get from you, okay? So that's going to be going into the grade book as a completion grade today, as well as your week 2 learning log. So if you haven't shared that with me yet, please do so. If you shared week 1 with me, week 2 should already be on there, so don't worry about that. I think that's everything. Oh, I'll have office hours from 1:30 to 3 today. So feel free to jump on conferences. Again, that's going to be on the left-hand side here, conferences. You'll also get an email invitation from me. So you just click on that. It'll pop up, Flexible Learning Day 6. I'm sorry, Day 7. And you can hit join, and then you'll be able to chat with me, ask me questions, whatever you need. All right, guys, so remember next week is spring break, so take a break. I'm not going to have any new assignments. None of your teachers should have new assignments. So take a break, rest, relax, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. Thanks so much for all the work you're doing. Miss you guys, miss seeing you every day, but keep working hard. Proud of you guys. All right. Happy Friday.